Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started off watching our very special guest, Tonja from Creations with Tonja. She's an amazing lady, amazing artist, just a dear friend, and I just love her to pieces. We're so excited to have you on as always, Tonja. Love you. So if you missed her, please go back and watch. Also, we had Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art, a sweet wombat. So if you missed either one of those, please go back and watch. So now you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, you have Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely sis cat. Alright, so today I have decided I'm going to do a bloom. I love blooms. They're just fun. I have some colors left over from a tree swipe I did on Wednesday. So I'm just going to use these up. I've put down my pillow paint, which is Cleopatra's Gown by PPG. It's a sample. I got it for $7 at PPG, which is Pittsburgh Paints. I went ahead and put that down. I've got some colors here. A lot of them are custom that I threw together doing my tree swipe that I did. So I'm going to throw these down and let you guys watch.
Early morning, trying hard to get out of bed. She remembers all the crazy little things she said. Get a move on, gotta be one step ahead. On your feet now, wondering where the road had led. And it's one more minute, and you feel you're in years now, I learned how what you thought was the law, 'cause you said so. I let you break into my own mind. What was mine, now I'm stopping you. I put myself up there to trust you, despite all of the things I've been through. I see now the sweet taste suddenly been exchanged for the clean slate. You really got me stuck, then you walked away. While I was in the shock, you would drift astray. For all the things you told me that weren't true, I've got one or two things to tell you. You never had your mind in the place I was. You never stood behind when I fell, because you let me be the one, then you leave me blue. I've got one or two things to tell you. I had no doubt. I see it now, I am better off. Got one or two things to tell you. You really got me stuck, then you walked away. While I was in the shock, you would drift astray. For all the things you told me that weren't true, I've got one or two things to tell you. You never had your mind in the place I was. You never stood behind when I fell, because you let me be the one, then you leave me blue. I've got one or two things to tell you.
All right, I'm just going to bring you down for a close-up. All right, guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all of you who have done that already. I think it turned out really cool. Not bad. I don't use the blow dryer too much to do blooms, so I'm kind of impressed with the outcome, even though I had to do it twice. So, all right, guys. Up next is Shannon Baxman from ShanB Fluid Art. After her, you have Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art, and then we have our Hippy Dippy Painterman, and maybe our lovely Sis Cat. So don't go anywhere. We still got a lot left for you. All right, guys. Love you to pieces. I will see you on the next one. Bye.